168 and it's a 19. Okay, so I hope yesterday how to create a rack. That's what we started actually, right? Mm. Now we are discussing about the rack. Can you tell me what is the topic name? Rack actually. Daniel, how to create a rack? How to create a rack by using different frameworks. So the answer will be by using different frameworks actually. One of the framework is called as the first one is called as a Agno. That's what we tried yesterday. Even yesterday, after I went to my home, in between I got some around 15 minutes actually. I tried to executing. I have seen a lot of compatible issues. Lot of compatible in the sense, the existing modules, it is not working. We are getting import error, module not found error, though we already installed actually. Then I have redirected to, we have another alternative also. Alternative will be LangChain. What is that one? Which one is very updated and which is really running LangChain. So with that we have created actually. With that created the updated the material. Yesterday itself I have already uploaded actually. Did you notice that? But anyway, so let me just have to execute the same thing. You will get an idea. Okay, that's what. Then let's move on. I will explain from scratch. You will get an idea. Let me download. Let me download Searchy. I will explain the problem statement. It is working example, end-to-end working example. It's okay, sir. If it is not working, that's still okay. With Agno, I have prepared long back, around 6 months before. I have prepared this document and updated actually. We are good to go. I can just have to minimize this. Let us move on. And we need to work with one working example actually. We'll get an idea. Okay. Fine. Everybody look at my screen. So I hope the point will be RAG, stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. So this is one of the backbone to the LLM. So imagine if LLM don't know any information, then LLM will trigger RAG actually. Then RAG will pass the information. RAG will pass what, Sarji? Information. Daniel, can you give one end-to-end example how RAG will work? These are all, yeah, good. The difference between Agno and LangChain, the concept is the same, but the package is the different. Class names will be different actually. Are you getting or not, sir? So we'll see. Environment setup. You need, sorry, you first need to install. These are all required libraries. These are all required libraries. What is the first one? LangChain community, OpenAI, FAISS, hyphen CPU, PYPDF, tick token. It's not TikTok actually, it's a tick token. We need to install these libraries. So seems to be I already installed. Let me uninstall it. Daniel, when you install for AI agents, right? So these are all already installed. Good. Sarji, I already uninstalled. Now, let me rerun one more time. Exactly. So these are all not available. But anyway, let's just have to proceed to install. I will explain what are these libraries, what is the main motto. I will explain like yesterday how I have covered actually. Let's move on. Open command prompt. You can just try to install. Good. Let me explain one by one library. So the first one is a LangChain and the next one LangChain community. These libraries, how it will work, no doubt in that. It will work, no doubt in that. Did anyone try it yesterday? No? Working right? Libraries are being getting installed. I would like to share working examples. Then it will be helpful for you. Good, it is being getting installing. Online team, you are following, I guess. Can I get a response from you? I need one response from anybody. Online team? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, almost we are installing. Let's move. Daniel, what is a LangChain? It's a core chains and kind of some one of the architecture logic like a retrieval QA. We need to build a kind of some architecture. You're asking question, it will respond. So LangChain will do actually. It is a one of the framework. The next one, LangChain community. All data loaders, vector stores, embedding, and model integration. This think like another new package. This package takes care about how to load the data. For that data, how to create embeddings actually. For that embeddings, how to store index, metadata. These are all. This library takes care. Can you tell me what is the first one? LangChain. Next one, LangChain community. Next one, OpenAI. Maybe yesterday I already covered. OpenAI company having all GenAI models. Do you want to interact with them? You need to install that library. OpenAI company, they have created a Python library. That library name is OpenAI. Their company name only they have given. Their company name only they have given actually OpenAI. Let's you call OpenAI models like a GPT. These are all we are calling today. FAIS CPU. It's a vector store for fast similarity search actually. See, after you are storing, it's the right time when you're asking anything, when you're searching anything, I'm expecting kind of some fast result. There is a one library. This library you need to install. PyPDF. PDF reading and parsing backend and using PyPDF loader actually. This is another package. What is the main purpose of this package, Sarji? Our main motto will be what we are doing, we are creating a project or okay, we are going to creating a project. Inside this project, inside this folder, we are planning to store one PDF. Let me take that PDF. Oh, PDF తీసుకున్నాను చూడండి. You can take any PDF, but let us just try to take Python introduction. Python what Sarji? Introduction. Good. Python introduction. I hope in why I am taking Python introduction, you know what it contains. So it contains what is Python, Python program applications, history of Python. These are all. Now we are planning to create kind of some RAG, a program. Now that program we will ask what is Python. Then we supposed to get response from where, Sarji? Introduction actually. Are you clear, Sarji? That's we are going to. Yeah. So let's move on. I hope this we already know. So encode index, similar. I'm sorry, encode again, similarity search documents actually. Prompt, LLM, the response. Can I work on this? Daniel, you can. These are all steps. Make a note. First one, importing the required libraries. We need to create embedding model. That embedding model is all simple. All are predefined classes. Predefined classes, make a note on this. Loading PDF data. I would like to load embed and store vectors, build RAG chain and ask questions and get response actually. Before that, you should aware about one of the topic. The topic name is a OpenAI API key. What is the topic name, sir? Once I entered, I will explain. So I already set a key in my laptop, in this laptop actually. Good. Make a note on this. Importing the required library. These libraries are required, Sarji. These libraries are required. Then let's open Notepad. Plus plus. Let us just try to see the executing example. Good. Control S demo1.py. Go to the desktop and you can go to the project. We are good to go. All right. Creating a RAG project. The first one. By looking at that, you can easy to understand, Sarji. Any idea what it is? Class. What is the class name? Retrieval QA. Where we are using, we'll see step by step. One class we are importing. The next one. One more class. Class name is a FAISS. FAI, what exactly? SS. For fast searching, actually. The next one. One more class. Chart Open AI. Can you repeat again what it is? Chart Open AI. I won't, I like ODRAP actually. Mm, ODRAP. Yeah, here we are. Good. Then, so can I add here directly? Yeah, we are good to go. Let me repeat again. Main package and sub package. Good. So this one is a class. This is again class chart open API. The next one OpenAI embeddings. The next one PyPDF loader. Trust me, these are all predefined classes. Let us just to run this one. Yesterday, so importing libraries only we got an issue, right? So this requires blah 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 blah. It should work, no doubt at all. So maybe what are I am installing, typing inspiration, TikTok, and yeah, it's installed, Sergey. Don't worry. Maybe some other dependency that's still okay for me. Let us run the code. Trust me, it should run, no doubt in that. Importing the libraries. Move on to the next step. You please try this example today. Come on. Yeah, yes, Sergey. Nilkan Sergey. Similarity search in the sense, the relevant searching, the searching is matching. Good. Thank God we got output actual. Did you prayed for this? We'll get. This is simple thing, sir. Sorry. Let's move on. It is working. So the installed library is working. Move on to the next one. Second step. Define vector database. What is that one? Define vector database actually. We need to create a vector database. How to create? Let me tell you. Creating a vector database in the sense, it's a nothing. You just need to, any idea what it is actually? Creating an object. Creating a object. What is this one? Class name. OpenAI embeddings. Let me just try to do this activity. Oh, some warnings. Can you help me how to skip this? Chaptara? That's it. We already know that code actually. If it is warning, we will give reverse warning actually. I need your help. Import warnings. Warnings dot filter warnings. చెప్పండి సార్. Ignore. Or else ignore warning filter. కరెక్టే కదా? I vector database is ready. Define vector database. Daniel, what it mean? Creating a vector database in the sense, this is something like creating a ML algorithm in the sense, create an object to the specific class actual. That's what you need to connect. Now move to the next one. Load knowledge from PDF. Very good, sir. So it's a right time. What we are doing, load knowledge from PDF. I have already copied one PDF right in current folder. So that current file you need to pass here. Any idea? This is again object creation. Py PDF loader, right? So anyway, get ready. I'm going to ask one question. Then can we give our file name? Let's give it. Just one small file I'm giving. If you are giving big file, it takes some little longer time. Daniel, let's move on. The next one. Any idea what is a load? Nice, very good. How can you say? Object. That's it, sir. It is loaded. That PDF loaded everything actually. But till here, can I capture in running notes? Okay. Venkat Sarji, when you're talking about the DuckDuck search, actually, it is a one of the search engine. Best example. So RAG especially it will use to search any extra information in the backend actually. RAG is different, DuckDuck search is different. RAG is different. Okay. Venkat Garu, are you the one yesterday you mailed me actually? Let's just try to take this. RAG steps from 1 to 3. Sir, these are all advanced examples. We have to work on this. Then only you will get an idea. Almost how many classes we used actually? First one, can you tell me first one? OpenAI embeddings. The beauty with the Notepad++, you can just have to give a double click. It will be highlighted where it is actually. This one we done. The next one, PY PDF loader also we done. That's it. As of now, 2 classes we are using. And we have created an object, and with object name you are calling something. What is that? Load actually. Load is a method. Okay. This is important, sir. Embed and store. It's a right time. So we have a PDF. That PDF, I wanted to apply embed. What do you mean by embed? PDF is a text data. Now we are planning to apply embedding actually. We'll get a array data. Array data. That's it. Daniel, how to do that? Very simple, sir. There is one small important point you need to understand here. Let me cover that actually. Daniel, what is that important point? Good, make a note. Documents. Already this is ready. The next one, embeddings. Embeddings also ready. Conclusion of the story. We have created embedding model. Embedding is ready. So that model is going to work actually. The next one, this model, it is going to apply in where exactly, sir? Documents actually. Are you ready? Good. Now, with the class name, you are calling something. Listen carefully. With the class name, you are calling something. This is called as a class method. What method, sir? Class method actually. Class method. Now here you need to pass documents, and here you need to pass embeddings. Then parenthesis is missing, closing is missing. Now the total embedding, it will be stored in vector store actual. Vector store object. Left hand side all are objects. Make a note on this. You can apply for multiple PDFs also. Yeah, very good. We are almost very near. Embed and store. Embed and what, Sarji? Store actually. Can you repeat again? Importing the libraries. The next one, define vector database, and just try to define vector database in the sense create object to the respective class. After that, load knowledge from what exactly, sir? PDF. So you have to load the data, and especially the PDF is storing in one object actually. Now it's the right time. I need to apply embedding. Applying embedding in the sense, call a method with the class name you are accessing something. This is the class method. What method? Very rare. కొంచెం rare గా యూస్ చేస్తాం, but it's still okay. Instance method we can call by using object name. Instance method we can call by using object name. If capital letter is available, you are calling something method name. What name, Sarji? Method name. What method name? Class method. Class method. We can give, Sarji. We can give. Entire folder we can give. Create a RAG agent. Get ready, sir. Create a RAG agent. How to do that? There are two steps are involving here. Please make a note on this. Yeah. First step number one, even I wanted to hear from you. What we're doing here actually. What is a vector store? Go back up. A vector store is a Chappan sir. Object. With object name, you are calling what? Yeah, with object name you are calling which is having parenthesis method actually. Good. By using this one, you need to call method and here search type equals to would have a different searches. But as of now, I wanted to take a similarity. You can go for opposite synonym. These are all. K equals to 3. K equals to 3 in the sense I need almost. Did you remember K means clustering? Exactly here also same sir. I need three times the similar words actually. The nearby. What exactly sir? Nearby. Nearby. K equals to 3. That's what we have created an object. So we have, so whenever you are calling the method calling you are assigning into variable backend written. Now the next step is important, sir. You guys are almost very near. You guys are almost very near. This is the way we can do it actually. Here you need to spend some time. I can just have to talk with you one by one. Get ready, sir. Now we created an object, right? This object here you need to pass. This object here you need to pass. Here you need to pass. I'm sorry. When you're calling method, you're assigning into variable. Yes, of course, this one is a object. It is returning object. Now here you need to pass retriever. Good. Anyway, can you talk with me what it is actually? Retrieval QA from chain. Any idea what method? Class method. Make a note on this. With the class name you're accessing. While you are creating an object, backend constructor, okay, LLM, the model name we need to specify. What you need to specify, Sarji? Model name. If you want, you can just have to take this one separately. Control X. Model equals to, you can pass like this actually. And here you can pass what exactly, sir? Model. What it is, I will tell you, get ready to understand. Any idea what is LLM? Keyword augment, sir. What is that? Keyword augment. Make a note. LLM equals to model you need to specify. Chart open AI model equals to what is the model we are inviting? Indirectly, the moment whenever you are creating object for this, it will hit API automatically. I will tell you where I configure that API. It hits API, and through that API, it will hits OpenAI model actually, OpenAI models, and it will search for exactly this model GPT-4o. For your better understanding, I can tell that pickle file search. What file? But if it is we created file, it will search in current folder. But I'm planning to take the model from OpenAI, then in between API will work actually. Who will work, Sarji? API. So it might be a little confusion for you, this model and this model. Can I give this one is a M and this one is what, Sarji? M actually. Are you clear? Let me give a clarity. Maluka clarity is on children. You need to work on this example. Daniel, I would like to work. Sorry, I would like to work with OpenAI model. OpenAI, what exactly, sir? Model. Then what we need to do? So first of all, whenever you are creating an object for this, the moment whenever you are creating an object for this, automatically what happens, sir? It connects to Chaptara OpenAI API key, OpenAI API key. Through that, it will connect www.openai.com actually. Here they do have a models. Model. What is a model name? A model name is such a GPT-4o. GPT what exactly 4o. Daniel, if you don't have a key, you may get authentication error. Maybe I hope me the example run sir. You did you run actually? You may get error. That error will be authentication invalid key, something like that actually. I will show you what error you will get also. This API key we need to get from OpenAI company. Then how will get actual? We need to create one account with Gmail actually. One account with what exactly, sir? Gmail. Then they will give kind of some wallet actually. Wallet. Inside that wallet, we need to add money. We need to add what, Sajji? Money. So I have added almost from $5. I have added actually $5 on an average 500 rupees. I have added actually. Did you understand? Right. Once you added money in your wallet actually, now yeah. So I have added. They will give the key. They will give what exactly, sir? OpenAI API key they will give actually. మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను చూడండి. Do you wanted to work with OpenAI model? It's not free. First of all, it's not free. Then what we need to do? You need to log in with OpenAI with Gmail account. What account, Sarji? Gmail account. Once you logged in, kind of some sign up actually, they will show you. Would you like to use OpenAI models actually? Then you can say yes. They will ask add money actually. Add what, Sarji? Money. On an average, $5 is okay. Only credit card or debit card will work actually. Not phone pay, GPay. These are all will not work. I'm sorry for saying. Once you added, it will display. So and so $5 added actually. Okay. Now this OpenAI key we need to set in our local machine actually. In our what exactly, sir? Local machine. I already done actually. Let me show you that. OpenAI key ఎలా ఉంటుందో తెలుసా? Some random text actually can't be look. Some random text. Don't try with this key. Are you clear, Sarji? Yeah, let me show you that. OpenAI key looks like this. Where is set, go to my PC. We need to set in our local machine called as a environment variables. Chappan sir, environment variables. Did you remember database installation gurtunda meeku? So there is a bin folder. That bin we need to set in actually kada. This point let me remind 2 times actually. Go to my PC, important properties, advanced system settings, right click, RC in the sense right click. Oh no, Sarji, right click. Just try to check properties. I understand, sir. Properties. Go for yeah. Go for properties. The next one, advanced system settings. Advanced system. What, Sarji? Settings. The next one, environment variables. You will get kind of some pop-up like this, and here advanced anyway. You need to select environment variables. By default, tab is advanced actually. Here you can find chapter environment variables. Simple one-time process. It's only one-time process. Only one-time process. Click on this. Are you ready? Click on this. Now here, click on new. Chappan sir, click on new actually. Once you click on new, you will get a variable name. You will get a variable value. That variable name you should give open underscore API underscore key. That's you need to provide actually. Let me repeat again. Variable name should be OpenAI underscore API underscore key. If you are not giving the same name, you will get error. You will get what, Saji? Error actually. Error. Okay, hold on. Now click on. I will explain one more time. Then you will get what exactly. So user variables, system variables. You will enter into user variables. Don't try to copy paste this one. Why? Because such a long we would have actually. Okay. So here click on new. Click on what exactly, sir? New. Click on new. Under variable name. You should give OpenAI, all are capital letters. OpenAI underscore API. Chappan sir, key. and variable name should be variable value. The next one is a variable value. Copy key from OpenAI. Copy key from what exactly, sir? OpenAI company actually. Are you clear? Now let me just have to click on edit mode. Edit mode actually. Click on this edit mode. Yeah. If I click on edit mode, whole key will come, sir. Are you clear? Good. I am not clicking on this one. No, chodu sir. Chodu. Click on this. I hope you understand. Online team, are you clear, sir? Daniel, do I need to do this process in company? No, admin takes care. Who takes care? First of all, you no need to pay money once you join in a company. Please, company never ask money actually. Admin takes care. They will tell directly in your mission, you already having access to connect to OpenAI models actually. But if you know, that would be really good. మీకు తెలిసే మంచిది. Did you understand? Good. This is called as a environment variable setting. Environment variables, what exactly sir? Setting actually. It's okay, Sarji. Let me show you the key. It's okay. Go back, advanced system settings. Fine. Environment variables. Click on this. This is the key. ఇలా ఉంటుంది సార్ key. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I know. Online team, you are using your mobile and you are capturing actual. It's okay. Let me try. Nothing is, that's still okay. This is the, you know what? Key, we should not share public actual. We should not make it public. The key always, started some letters actual. Why? Because, they have followed kind of some backend code. It should be unique. It should be unique actually. Two persons, it should not be match actual. Two persons, it should not be match. It should be unique actually. They have applied some algorithm to create this kind of some OpenAI key actually. Are you clear? Good. I will do one thing. I will even give wrong key maybe later. And if you are hitting that one, what error will get, we will see actually. Are you ready, Sarji? Yeah, good. Let's move on. Don't try to type actually. Don't try to type, copy paste. Fine, we done this. We done this. Maybe while I'm sharing, I will delete this one. Yeah. Now it's the right time. Where are we? Go to our code actually. Anyway, Daniel, here I would like to add the same thing. Indirectly, the moment once you are creating object for this, you are telling I'm planning to access OpenAI model actually. What is the model name? GPT-4o. Good. Chain type, kind of some one keyword argument you need to provide. Retriever equals to what exactly, sir? Or this you need to walk through once. Fine. What is the next step, Sarji? It's the right time. So model is ready, everything is ready. Now let us just try to run, Sarji. Ido sir run cheddam chudandi. If API key is working, this example will work. If API key is wrong API key, you will get some error. I will show you what error you will get actually. Very good. Now the system is ready. Now you can ask a question. Hey, Daniel, how to ask a question? Very simple, sir. It's the right time. We need to ask a question. Ask a question. Can I make it this one at runtime? Runtime చేయమంటారా దీన్ని? Okay. Q equals to input of ask question. Ask what exactly, sir? Question. From Python introduction material. Python what exactly, sir? Introduction doc actual. Why? Because as of now, that's we have added. Now response equals to. Can somebody help me? ఎవరైనా help చేస్తారా? Q a chain method. I'm sorry, object. And by using that, we are calling run. Here, what I need to pass? Q. Now this is the response we'll get actual. This is the response we'll get. Now very simple. Answer from LLM, especially GPT model. What model, Sarji? GPT model. GPT model. Think like, let me just try to print this. Am I right? Okay, let's move on. Let us run. What question you are asking? What is Python as of now? Go to ask a question. What is Python? It will search from the document and it will answer actually. From the document, all answers it will give. Yeah, good. So Python is a general purpose and high level programming language. It is designed. Yeah, very good. What exactly, sir? It is designed. Designed word is not from my material. If you read my material, right? Conclusion of the story, RAG capture that answer, LLM optimize the answer actually. That's what you need to be understand. Are you with me or not, sir? Designed to human readable and easy to understand, which makes its high level language actually. Very good actually. How it knows these are all answer? It is connected with LLM actually. It's connected with what, sir? LLM. That's what you need to be understand. Let me show you if API key is wrong, what happened, Daniel? If API key is wrong, let us just try to give wrong API key. Now then I need to, what is? Okay. Let me ask you a question. What is Java also? There are two ways. Either LLM will sell, I don't know. Otherwise, LLM will try to capture from external sources. But external sources we didn't integrate it here actually. We'll see. As of now, only from PDF. What is Java? It is thinking. Good, it is giving, sir. What it is giving, first of all, I'm sorry, but I don't have any specific information about the Java provided context. However, generally speaking, Java is a high level class based actually. Very good. The documents, what we have shared, there is no Java information, but still it is giving answer from where, Sarji? GPT actually. Internally, it is connecting with the GPT. Sir, you know what? I have a $5, right? I have what exactly? For every word they will charge actually. You asked what is Java search. Did you understand? I'm sorry. For every word they will charge. Your question and your answer, every word they will charge actually. If you open my account, how much money deducted I need to cross verify actually. End of this session, wait, sir. You wait actually. Just I'm kidding. ఇంటికి ఫోన్ పే చేయమంటారా ఏ జస్ట్ ఐమ్ కిడింగ్ బర్త్డే సర్జీ all right fine then, so make a note on this one. Hope you got a clear picture, right? Online team, did you understand? Now we'll do one thing, sir. These are all process are happening simple. These are, sir, pure Python code. Pure what, sirji? Nothing is there. Just you need to be understand how the flow it will be. Let me give the wrong key. I would like to give the wrong key. Copy. Let me take backup. Let me just try to give here. Go back here and let us just try to add ABC. ABC I have added. Yeah. Yes. Good. All right. Now let's close command prompt and let us run the example actually. Open key is a open API. OpenAI API key is wrong. Then we'll see. Exactly. This error you will get. Conclusion of the story. It is validating in the backend. To run this example, internet connection required first of all. What is required? Why? Because models it is accessing over the web actually. What error you know, Sarji? Cheptara? Authentication error. What error? Directly it is calling. How it is calling actually Chapani? Incorrect API key. Chapani sir, incorrect API key actually. Incorrect API key. This is the way. Authentication error. Authentication error. No, madam. No, we have to use. So public models we have to use actually. Okay. One more point, let me tell you. Here is what exactly is authentication error. Imagine you have an account in OpenAI company, right? In that accounts, imagine if the money over. It will tell insufficient funds. చెప్పండి సార్. It will tell please. You can add few dollars. It will tell actually. It will tell. Okay. So I need to take this. First of all, let me add this example. Daniel, same example. I don't want to add money in my OpenAI account. I wanted to run in AI agents. I will show you how to run. I don't want to use OpenAI. Why? Because you no need to, if you're adding money, so it might be painful for you. Some 500 also matter when you're in jobless actually. LLama, there is one OpenAI LLM. I'm sorry, there is an open source LLM. Open source what Sarji? LLM. Maybe either today or tomorrow, we are going to install that. And that LLM we are using instead of this OpenAI LLM actually. Instead of GPT, do you have any other alternative? Yeah, we have an alternative. I will explain that one also. That you can use to convert into this example. Examples nalla kuda manam convert cheyochu. Okay, I will cover one more example. So RAG steps from 1 to 6 actually. 1 to what exactly, sir? 6. That's what you need to be understand. If API key is wrong, authentication error. What error, Sarji? Authentication error. Can I tell one small thing? నేను మీకు క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పమంటారా? See, GPT iPhone 4o trained by OpenAI company. Trained by that model having lot of knowledge. That model having lot of knowledge. We didn't train, but we are using that model. That's what you need to be understand. What we are saying, what we are doing, sir, we are using nowadays the total AI projects. The business is happening with the models. People are giving a training to the model. Model became very more efficient and more knowledgeable. Actually, they started business. You can just have to use our model like that. Actually, did you understand or not, sir? Right? And how they will charge? Okay. So if you want, you can see here also. How much OpenAI, your OpenAI company will charge, based on words actually, based on words or tokens. They will give one kind of some small short. GPT-4o, exactly, we are using the same thing. Maybe that is updated one. Model cost 2.50 per 1 million input tokens actually. $10 per 1 million output tokens actually. They are charging for input and output. Make a note on this one. Can I go to the chat GPT? Per 20 tokens, how much they will charge? Minimal 0.05, 0.06, something they will charge. Very less actually. I'm sorry, yesterday I told 0.05, but this is a very less actually. Okay, good, very less. But sometimes you may get a paragraphs answer. What answer, sir? Paragraphs answer actually. Ensure that when you're working with this kind of models, every time here and there, you need to check the balance. You need to check what, Sarji? Balance. That's a good practice. They're checking based on word. Very good, Sarji. Somebody suggested, ask in INR actually. Please reply in rupees. Like, so please reply in rupees. Paisa. How much it is charging, Sarji? It's like for 20 tokens, how much? 0.00. So very minimal. But think like, so if it is a huge words actually, GPT, exactly, GPT-4 we are using. This one is this is the old one. On average this price. So the cost of the tokens for the approximate how much actually, sir? 0.05. This model we are using. Okay. Make a note on this. All right. That's what you need to be understand, Sarji. Can I get a response from you? Are you with me? Okay. Do you want to show the account actually? Account చూపించమంటారా? It's okay. Let me show you. First, what we need to do, log into. You can ask even. Please don't use my key. If you want, you can use also. OpenAI, OpenAI login. So OpenAI models, or else to check balance. To check what exactly, sir? So balance, actually balance. Now share the link. What is my login password? It's okay. You can go for this. Daniel. We'll see. Total tokens. How many I used, Sarji? These are all September. On an average, total spend 0.04. API keys. Here you can find all my keys, actually. Here you can find all my keys. And as of now, so one key. Do you wanted to generate, actually? Daniel, I wanted to create one more key. I wanted to create what, Saji? One more key. Once your account is loaded with the money, create new secret key. That is a secret, actually. Don't tell to anyone. Right, give name as a, so new key. Previous one I have created a long back. ఎప్పుడో create చేశాను నేను. When I have created September, last user, actually. But this I have created a long back. They're not providing any information. Restricted. I wanted to know when I created. That's still okay. Create new secret key. New key. Create secret key. Yeah. Make a note. It is generating. Please read this. Please save your secret key in safe place, since you won't be able to view again, actually. Again, they will not say keep it secure as ఇదేదో మనం టెంపుల్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు దర్శనం ఉంటాం కదా. ఐఎమ్ సారీ ఫర్ సేయింగ్. ఐఎమ్ సారీ. Anyone with your API key, you cannot, so anybody can, if you do lose it, you will need to generate new one, actually. So imagine if you lost, actually, no way to modify. You should not mail to OpenAI company, actually. You have to regenerate it, actually, right? Then copy it. Once you copy it, you can click on done. You can click on done. Did you understand, sir? Click on this. Anyway, I'm not generating. This is about my account. Let's log out. I will show you how to work with one OpenAI, one open source LLM model, actually. Okay. All good, sir. Maybe I will continue. We done this one. If OpenAI API key is wrong, OpenAI API key is wrong, then we'll get below error. What error, Sarji? Below error. What error, Chitra? Authentication error. Authentication in the sense, you are using incorrect, invalid API key, actually. They will recognize. Okay. Then can I set, right? What mistake? How I updated, actually? ABC I added, I guess. I need to delete that. You guys remember? Go to the last. 1, 2, 3. I have deleted. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. That's what you need to be understand, Sarji. Okay. Now I can walk through the next point. Go to the Daniel material. No. No. So this is, I need to update, I guess. Can I take this? Okay. Now, Daniel, what we are doing, this step is very, very important, sir. I will show you practically how to create a AI agents. How to create what, Sarji? AI agents actually. We have a theory session and we have some practical sessions also. What do we have? Good. Let's move on. AI agents and part one and part two. This is the very easy. So let's continue. Let's continue. No, sir. A long back, Nilkan Sarji. They used to provide free keys a long back actually, but nowadays they stopped. I'm not sure. For students' account, are they providing any free? I'm not sure. Conclusion of the story. Almost all top MNC companies, they have created their own LLMs. Do you want to connect with their LLMs? You need a key. You need what, Sarji? Key. They will give the key actually. First, that key validation is happening. Whenever you are hitting their model, first they will check, hey, share your key. And our program will give the key actually. If the key is valid, it will release the model. If the key is invalid, it will tell invalid key. I don't know who you are. Okay. Yeah. Let me start from scratch. So let me start from scratch. What is AI in AI agent? What is the topic name, sir? AI agent actually. What is AI? AI refers to the machine or software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence actually. When you're talking about the AI, so it's a kind of some mission, think like a robot, or else you can say software. What it will do, sir? It can think, learn, and act. Am I right? It can think, learn, and act. It will perform task actually. Can perform tasks that typically require what exactly human? Yeah, we need to feed a kind of some algorithms we need to create. We need to train. These are all. These tasks includes what are things, learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding language, and recognition pattern. Being a human, how you're thinking, how you're doing activities, how you're reasoning actually, these are all it will do actually. Now, what is agent in AI agents? This is important. Focus on this. Can you tell me what it is? What is agent in AI agent? Generally, let me talk with you. Uh, do you know LIC agent? Did you heard actually? LIC agent. Let me tell you, agent is a mediator in between source and destination. In between source and destination. Simple. Source having some problem statement, it will carry the information. Agent will take that problem statement. Actually, you don't worry, I'm here. Then it will go to the destination. It will fix the issue and it will come back actual. It's like a mediator in between what's actually source and destination, input and output actual. When it comes to AI agents, let me tell you, AI program that works like a human. That works like what? That is not a human. That works like a human actually. Human. An agent is a something that can sense its environment. Very, very nice, sir. Agent is a something that sense its environment. Very good. What is that one? Make decision. Best example, sensing environment. Imagine suddenly rain is coming. We can sense actually. The vehicle going very fast, like a super fast actual. We can sense. And automatically making decision. Who can take decision generally? Human can take the decision. But here, agent is taking decision and take actions to achieve the goal actually. That too, ultimate target will be I need to reach the goal. It takes action based on that. Okay. An AI agent is a system that pursues means receives the world seriously important. In world, what is happening, it can capture actually. How? Through sensors and the data or input actually, and process that information and takes action accordingly actually. Conclusion of the story, AI agent is a program. It understands the environment actually, and it will take the decision. It will take the decision and it can perform action actually, right? I hope you understand what is AI. The next one, what is agent actually? Now let me tell you what is AI agent. Yep, let's continue. An AI agent is a smart system. Simple, Britannia definition. AI agent equals what, Sarji? AI plus agent. I wanted to highlight actually. An AI agent is a smart system that interacts with its surroundings and learns from experience and makes decision to complete task. What exactly, sir? Efficiently. I would like to tell one point with you. When you're talking about the AI, sir, let me tell you prediction. The next one, classification. The next one, kind of what exactly, clustering. These are all we can do actually. Mostly focusing on the prediction. Mostly focusing on prediction. Now let me tell you. One example I will tell. Trust me, you will get a nice clarity. What is the difference between prediction AI and AI agent actually? Today, which stock I got profit, you know? Daniel, why that hadavadi? Hold on, sir. I need that example. Secured login. I'm saying, hold on. I will tell one live example, you will get an idea.